Welcome to this demonstration of e-governance solutions based on experience from Estonia, a country widely recognized as one of the world's leading digital societies. This presentation is prepared for you by the members of the Estonian ICT Cluster in partnership with the Estonian Ministry of Foreign Affairs. In this presentation, we will be looking at activities that use the population registry for registering the birth of a new child. To get started, the citizen will use their unique digital ID number to log into the citizen portal, a central gateway to all public sector services. He or she enters their personal ID number and password, and once they press login using Smart ID, a verification code is sent to their mobile phone, and once they verify their identity with the PIN number, they are logged in. The same procedure is used to access any public sector service in Estonia. As we can see, Michael Collins is now logged into the system, and immediately information is received from the Population Registry and Marriage Registry, showing that he is married to Jean Collins and they have 2 children, Maria and Timothy. Jean and Michael are celebrating a beautiful event today. Jean just gave birth to a baby girl. The birth of a child is usually registered by the doctor in the hospital, but as it was a home birth, Michael can register the birth himself. To get started, he goes into the Population Registry birth registration solution. He enters the mother's ID number, his own ID number, the gender of the child, and the weight and height of the child to complete the registration. Once he saves the information, the birth of the child is registered. We can confirm this by refreshing the data in the citizen portal and see that they have a new, yet unnamed child added to their family. In the next step, Michael will go through the process of giving the child a name. It is interesting to note that the child already has a digital ID. Once again, it is a standard process that the child gets their ID number before getting a name. To register the name, Michael once again enters the Population Registry. All information about the child is already received automatically, and all he needs to enter is the name. Once this is done, we can see that a new child with the name of Helen Collins has been added to the family. While this may look very simple, there are many intricate connections taking place in the background, as there are different services and systems that are utilized even for such a simple process. The goal of the public sector services is to make the systems as easy and seamless to use as possible for the residents of the country, while maintaining the integrity and security of the data across different systems. In Estonia, an interoperability platform called X-Road is used to securely and efficiently exchange data between the different public sector services and systems, providing a way for all these systems to work in distributed yet unified manner. Let's look at the visualization of this unified exchange platform. Here we can see a view of all the information moving between the systems. We can see the different services and systems located in different ministries and agencies exchanging data, as well as a visualization of the systems involved. Once we refresh the data, we can see the new transactions of data exchanged between the systems. We can see the information on the basis of the different services and client systems involved, such as the Citizen Portal, Company Registry, Person Registry, Queue Management Service, Hospital Information System, and others. In the registration of a birth and naming the baby, data is exchanged between the Population Registry, Citizen Portal, and Marriage Registry. Below, we can see the different registries and systems exchanging information. We see the Land Registry, Person Registry, Citizen Portal, and others. These views enable us to understand the true interoperability between the different systems and services. All the connections needed for this demonstration have been taking place in real time, with information moving between all the relevant systems. This presentation has been brought to you by the ICT Cluster in cooperation with the Estonian Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The Population Registry solution was developed by Nortal.